In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI Chat in Google Colab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a Colab notebook, find the Gemini chat panel, write clear prompts, and let Gemini generate helpful answers right inside your workspace. First, open Google Colab. If you already have it bookmarked, great. Go ahead and launch it in your browser. If not, search for Google Colab and open the site. You'll land on a familiar notebook interface where you can create a new notebook or open an existing one. Colab is simply a cloud-based environment for writing and running code in your browser, so you don't need to install anything locally to follow along. Next, locate the Gemini icon. In the Colab interface, look toward the edge of the screen for a small chat or sparkle-style icon, labeled Gemini or something similar. It usually appears as a side panel or a button you can expand. If your window is narrow, you may need to widen it or look for a tab that opens a right-side drawer. The key is to find the Gemini chat entry point. Once you see it, you're in the right place. Now, click the Gemini icon and enter your prompts. Think of a prompt as a clear instruction or question. Be specific about what you want. For example, say, explain this code and show a simpler version, or generate Python code to read a CSV and plot a bar chart. If you need a certain format, mention it up front, like provide a step-by-step explanation, or return only the code block. Including brief context helps Gemini respond more accurately. 1 or 2 sentences about your goal or the dataset you're using can make a big difference. You can also paste short snippets of code or error messages into your prompt to get targeted, help or debugging suggestions. Keep your request focused, and if you have multiple tasks, send them as separate prompts for clarity. Finally, wait patiently while Gemini generates a response to your prompt. You'll typically see a loading indicator, and the answer should appear shortly. Complex or code-heavy requests may take a bit longer, so give it a moment to finish. When the response arrives, read it carefully. If something isn't quite right, refine your prompt with a small clarification, like tightening the requirements or asking for a different approach. That light iteration helps you converge on exactly what you need. And that's it. Open Google Colab, find the Gemini icon, click it and enter your prompts, and wait for the response. With these simple steps, you can tap into AI-assisted coding and explanations directly in your notebook.